Hi everyone, welcome back to a brand new video. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Ana. Today I have a super quick and easy DIY cleaner, what they actually call miracle cleaner, to clean all your showers, your bathtub, and take all those stains away, but without using any harsh chemicals. I'm actually going to be using vinegar and Dawn dish soap. So let's see if this miracle mixture actually takes all those stains away from my shower. I'm not going to put all of the half of the bottle. I'm actually going to put like 3 parts of the Dawn soap, and then the rest I'm going to fill it up with. I don't want this to be too concentrated, so I'm just going to add 1 part of the Dawn soap and then the rest with vinegar. This mixture is supposed to be 50-50, but I feel like it's better if you add a little bit more vinegar than dish soap. This is how my tub looks. You can see all of the stains everywhere. I did use the toilet bowl cleaner to try to clean all this shower because of how dirty it is. But because it's like a squirt function, I only squirt on some areas, and so I end up with a lot of straight lines like that. And now you can see all of the white lines, but then you also see all of the dirty and the stains. And because I have a lot of mold in here, some areas look a little bit yellowish, so I'm also going to be adding it in there to see if it works. The reason for that is because this magnet that goes in here, it literally stopped working like a year ago, and little by little, it's because of the door doesn't close properly. If you can see in here, it closed, but then it opens. It started to filling up all of the bottom shower with mold, and even in the outside and in the inside. So I'm giving you guys a closer look to see how that mixture actually works, and I will post a picture of the before and after, but look at how yellowish it looks, and you can't even see it that if it's white or not. So let's put the mixture, leave it for 15 minutes and see how it works. I'm actually going to take everything out so that way I can also put it on this parts and I am able to clean, because you can see in there, you can also see the yellowish part. I'm hoping that the camera is showing, but that it's white and this is a little bit too dark, and you can't even take it out, not even with my finger. So let's see how it works. You can see there's a lot of stains in there. So let's go ahead and spray this. It's been a while since I've used this mixture, but a little bit different. This is the first time I've used it the way it's saying, with only vinegar and Dawn dish soap. I've actually done the dish soap with a baking soda, and it actually works because of the baking soda, how grainy it is. But I'm hoping that this way will work better on the stains. All right, I end up pouring the rest of the mixture just like that on the edge, because I did finish the whole bottle in here. So everything is already sprayed. I'm gonna leave this in here for about 20 minutes, but you can already see that some of the stains are gone. All I have to do is just scrub. The only thing that I don't like is that part that it looks a little bit yellowish. So I'm not sure if that's taking out, but for the most part, everything else, you see what I'm saying? Like the yellowish stains in here. But we're gonna leave this in here for 20 minutes and then we're gonna come and scrub it. I didn't add anything in these areas, but once we're done with the inside, we're gonna finish the rest. And I'm just excited to see the results on that part. So let's come back in 20 minutes. It's been 20 minutes already now, and you can already tell that some of the scum that it's all in the walls, it's already loose. Like, you can tell. I don't know if you can tell, but in here, even all the yellow parts over there, it's like all scattered. And I'm really excited to clean this part. I really want to get that part area extremely wet. I mean, the rest of the shower as well, but that is like my concern. So now let's clean this. We're going to start on this wall to make sure that it actually works. We're going to take everything out and scrub this to see if all the scum it's gone. Okay, if you guys remember this wall how it was. And in here it's more optional on what to use to scrub. I'm using a brush, but you can also use a sponge. I feel that the brush will help you a little bit better. I'm gonna put a picture of the before and after so you guys can see the difference. This is insane. Like I would used to clean with these products, but never to leave them in here for more than 20 minutes. And it would always be some sort of the vinegar, soap, and either baking soda, but no, vinegar and soap works amazing. This stuff, it's actually a miracle. All right. I'm gonna finish the, okay, let me give you guys another, because I'm moving the camera too much. Wow. Let's see in here. Look at that. I want to show you guys the parts that were really, really dirty so you guys can see the difference. If you guys remember this part, how dirty it was, and it's still, you can still look and see how dirty it is. Let's see. Okay, and here you can still see the stain. So I'm guessing that if I redo the whole entire process and put more, it will actually work. But for the most part, everything else, it's working amazing. It did work. You can see the white in here and the black in here because the caulking that goes around it, it has molded already, so I have to replace the entire thing. But for the most part, you can see that it actually works. So I'm pretty sure that if I would leave it for a longer period of time, it would do a better job. You can tell already from the areas that I've already scrubbed and the ones that I haven't. So what I'm gonna do right now is I'm gonna clean the rest of the shower, and then I will share with you guys the end result, the before and the after, so you guys can see. All right, this is so far what I did with the bathroom, with the shower. Some of the stains are still in here, but you guys can tell the big difference from how we started at the beginning. Here in this wall as well, you can still see some of the lines, but it's not as how we started. The only thing I didn't like is that the yellowish stains that this faucet have, they're still there, and they're a little bit more, you can see them. So I'm not sure if I'm gonna try a different product in there, but for the most part, that Miracle concussion, it worked. I wouldn't say it 100%, but it did its job. I'm pretty sure that if I would leave it for a longer period of time, it will probably clean the rest of the stains. But you can still see, if I go closer, you can still see the lines in there. They're not too much as how we started at the beginning, but you can still see them. And here, I was able to take all of like the yellowish stains. There's still some in there, but for the most part, most of it, it's gone. Again, this part clean. It's really clean, but I still have to switch like the entire caulking that goes in here for the water to stay in the shower and not outside. But that's gonna be a project for probably my husband, or later I will put that on my to-do list. So I hope you guys have found this informational. Maybe you have tried it before, or maybe you want to try it out on your own tub. Let me know if you do, and if it works for you, if you liked it, let me know. Also, give this a thumbs up if you did enjoy this video, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.